Okay everybody, newest project. It's probably going to take a while, so there's going to be lots of videos on it. All the pieces for this teardrop camper were cut out the exact same way. So I'm only going to show it once, and then everything else is done the same way. I got the plans for this from CLC Lightcraft, and then I'm just putting my spin on basically their design. So I'm making a bunch of plunge cuts, and I'm leaving the corners attached where the circular blade doesn't go quite all the way through, and then I come back with a jigsaw to cut the rest of it out.